And rather than handing the diplomas out this evening, we will give those diplomas out to the students during the week next week. But for the safety... safety of everyone, you can hear the thunder. For the safety, it's something that we need to do. Dr. Satternaud?
By the authority granted to me by the New York State Board of Regents, I hereby certify that these candidates have qualified for a New York State high school diploma.
We're going to ask the students if you would leave the field and go in this direction into the building for shelter. And we're going to ask parents if you are going to leave, that's fine. But if you want to, we're in the gymnasium, and the girls' gym is also open. But our graduation ceremony is concluded, unfortunately. We're very sorry about that.